What's the meaning of chinchilla? Chinchilla. Chinchilla.
Chinchilla. Chinchilla. Chinchilla refers to a type of small, furry rodent native to the Andes Mountains in South America. Known for their soft and dense fur, chinchillas are often kept as pets or bred for their fur. They are active at night and can leap up to 6 feet in the air, making them excellent jumpers. Chinchillas are social animals and typically live in groups in the wild. Due to habitat loss and poaching, some species of chinchillas are endangered and protected by conservation efforts.